Well, what's her name again?
Lana, but maybe you can recall it better if you spell it in reverse.
I just died of your arms tonight.
How Nicole all by yourself?
I'm waiting for my boyfriend. He wants to break up. But I don't really want to. I don't think it's meant to be. Oh, look, there he is! Oh, that's not him.
Come here. Here, come. You have to get it. Harley. Just hold it there. Hold it back. It's coming. It'll be there. It'll take a while. You stupid bitch!
What the fuck is that?
That's some weird fucking shit right there, man.
Who are you?
Oh shit, this is my house.
No.
I'm really fucking high.